Hey there nerds and neradettes, and welcome to another painting video. This week, we'll be painting the Kroot tracker from Warhammer Quest Blackstone Fortress. Before we prime the model, we'll be adding some gravel and a third-party crystal to the base. After priming the model, we will be painting the skin with Vallejo Ochre Brown. For his cloak and the strap on his weapon, we will be using Army Painter Oak Brown. We will have to apply multiple thin coats as it is going on super thin. For the spines coming out of his head, we will use Uniform Grey. For his clothes and scabbard, we will use an off-black such as Necromancer Cloak. For the leggings and satchel, we will use mummy robes. For the beak and claws, we will use a channel favorite, Army Painter Skeleton Bone. For the armored shin guards, bionic eye, and shoulder pad, we will use Vallejo Gunmetal Grey as it's a bit darker. For the rifle, we will use Army Painter Gunmetal. To break up the gunmetal, we will apply weapon bronze to the stock and main body of the rifle. Next we shade the skin with military shader and the rest of the model with Army Painter Strong Tone. Now we will paint the base of the model black, paint the sistle with a deep blue color, and give the rubble a quick dry brush of a light gray. All that is left to do now is highlight the cloak and strap with leather brown and the metallic areas with plate metal, and finally some effects to the base of the model and highlight the sistle. Now as you can see, the Kroot tracker is now ready to discover the secrets of the Blackstone Fortress. Subscribe for more and remember,
we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.